welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at brake. Today we're going to be looking at brake versus brake. So we're going to be looking at what they mean. And we're going to do an activity about which one is right. So let's get straight into it. Firstly, brake. Brake. B-R-A-K-E. So brake is something that is used to stop or slow down a vehicle. I use the pedal as a brake on my bicycle. Or the same thing, just as an action. So let's say you have this car, nice Tesla. It's just a sucker boot by now. It's a nice Tesla. It's got great wheels. And this is the thing. And this is the let's see. This is the steering wheel. This is the handle brake. And these are the pedals. One of them makes it go and one of them makes it stop. The one that makes it stop, so this one, is called the brake. But what does brake mean? The other brake. Well, the other brake, B-R-E-A-K, means to make something come apart. Like, why did you break this? Let's say we have this vase. So the great vase with flower, with like a beautiful design on it. Someone breaks it, they crash it, they smash it into pieces. This is the vase before and the vase after. It's like smashed. It's broken. It cannot be repaired. But it can also mean a rest. Like, if you're going to take a break, then you're going to stop the action for a short period of time, like 15 minutes. Or 45 minutes. This is a break. You're always taking breaks. Are you eating? If you're not, then you're taking a break from eating. Are you sleeping? No? Then you're taking a break from sleeping. Anyway, moving on. Now, which one is right? In what scenarios? One will be B-R-A-K-E and two will be B-R-E-A-K. The reason for this is A, to make it simpler, and B, so that I don't have to write so much. The class will be allowed one break during the test. Because they are pausing the test once, it is break, so this would be a 2. Please break the cookie so we can all have a piece. That is also 2, because he's breaking the cookie into pieces, as I explained before. The pedal on the bicycle is often used as a brake. That would be number 1. The pedal is used for stopping the bicycle. You need to put your foot on the brake in order to stop the car. What's going to stop the car? The brake, so number 1. If you got that wrong, it's fine. The long A sound. The reason they make a sound is because of the A and the E. So in brake, the A and the E are what's called a split digraph with the K. The E calls out the A's name, saying, "Hey, A." So you don't say brake. You don't say brakey. You say brake, and you don't hear the E, because the E is yelling A. So that's why it's just a split digraph. That's how you say brake. The reason you say break, B-R-E-A, okay, is the E-A sound. This is exactly the same, except there's nothing in between. The E is warming up the A, which is making it yell it louder, making the A sound. Break. And then BR makes brr, because B, there's nothing new there. Let's continue on. So, that's it for the video. Thanks for subscribing. Because I know you subscribed, didn't you? Anyway, have a nice and great day, and goodbye.